This is experiment part 2 in my garage, my laboratory, in New Providence, Bahamas, capital city Nassau, concerning the consumption of electricity on light bulbs. What we did this time, we increased the size of the CFL bulb. This here is a 14 watt CFL bulb, but instead we use a 23 watt. So this here is an actual 60 watt incandescent bulb, a 23 watt CFL bulb, and a 9.5 watt LED bulb, which is equivalent to the regular 60 watt bulb. We increased the size of the bulb, this bulb here, to make sure all the mass or the size of the bulbs appear the same in terms of diameter. Now, normally, when we install light fixtures on walls, they're about 7 feet, at least 7 feet high from the ground. In homes, we install light fixtures on about 8 feet to about 12 feet ceilings or higher. So consumers, especially women, would never really go inside a fixture and check the temperature. Again, at the base of the bulb, the heat at the base of the bulbs are the same amount of heat. And another thing, to reinforce that persons don't normally get to touch bulbs, is that normally shades like this are placed over the bulb, and consumers are just concerned about the amount of illumination, the amount of brightness, the light, the amount of brilliance of a bulb instead of dimness. Again, this is the incandescent bulb, the CFL bulb, and the LED bulb. At the base of the bulbs, the heat at its peak after being installed for 10 minutes or more are the exact same heat, which means is that these light bulbs are consuming the same amount of power, electricity. So the billing on these bulbs will be the same, even though the label on the boxes may say energy saving. It may not be energy saving. It may be energy equivalent, or energy the same, or energy similar. Incandescent bulb, 60 watt. CFL bulb, 23 watt. LED bulb, 9.5 watt. The same amount of heat. Again, signing out. Leave it up to the experts, or what you could do, you could go to the store and buy a pigtail socket that plugs in to these duplex receptacles and buy a CFL bulb, an incandescent bulb, and an LED bulb. And you do the tests, your finger test yourself. You don't need no special tester or infrared light or array. Just use your hand, your fingers, and you could feel the same heat on all of the bulb. Even a baby could do it. Signing out.